Stop what you're doing and look at your dashboard. Right now your car is hiding a kill switch for a $3,000 repair bill, and you're likely driving right past it every single day. Most owners think they know their vehicle, but engineers have buried ghost features inside your cabin that can literally save your life in a crash or keep you from being stranded with a dead engine. I'm an automotive expert, and today I'm exposing the 18 industry secrets that dealerships pray you never find out. If you want to stop overpaying for glitches and start mastering your machine, pay attention. We're starting with a hidden mode that saves your motor from a total meltdown. Secret number 18, Windshield Wiper Service Mode. Let's start with a feature that saves you from a $400 headache. Have you ever tried to pull your wipers back to clean the glass, only for them to thud against the edge of the hood? That's because modern cars tuck the wiper arms away for better aerodynamics and less wind noise. But force them and you'll strip the wiper motor or chip your hood's paint. Here's the pro move, Service Mode. On most modern vehicles, you simply turn the ignition off, then immediately push and hold the wiper stalk up or down, depending on your brand, for 3 seconds. Like magic, the blades sweep to a vertical position and stop. Why does this matter? Beyond making blade replacement a 30-second job, it's a lifesaver in winter. By leaving them in attention mode, you prevent the rubber from freezing to the windshield. Trying to activate frozen wipers can snap the internal linkage or burn out the motor. That's a massive repair bill for a problem that takes 3 seconds to prevent. Are you still lifting yours manually and risking a scratch? Secret number 17, Seat Belt Energy Management Loop. Next time you buckle up, look at the base of the belt near the floor. You might see a folded-over section of webbing with a heavy stitch pattern. It looks like a manufacturing mistake, but it's actually a tier loop, and it's one of the most sophisticated pieces of safety tech in your cabin. In a high-speed collision, the human body exerts thousands of pounds of force against the belt. If the belt was 100% rigid, that force would be transferred directly into your ribs and internal organs. This loop is engineered to blow out at a specific load. The stitching rips apart in a controlled sequence, essentially acting as a shock absorber for your torso. It slows your body down gradually rather than slamming you to a halt. Expert tip: if you ever see those stitches frayed or the loop extended, that belt is spent. It's a one-time use safety device. If you're buying a used car and see that loop pulled tight, walk away. That car has been in a major undeclared accident. Secret number 16, Hidden Battery Saver Mode. We've all been there. You're cleaning the car or sitting at a drive-in and you're terrified the radio is going to kill your battery. Most drivers don't realize their car is actually babysitting them. Deep within the body control module (BCM), your car has a battery discharge protection system. If you leave a dome light on or the ignition in accessory mode, the car monitors the voltage drop. Usually after 20 minutes the car will deep sleep, cutting power to non-essential electronics. But here, the expert secret. On many luxury and modern trucks, if the battery hits a critical threshold, usually around 11.8 volts, the car will prioritize the starter motor above all else. It will kill the infotainment and even the power locks just to ensure you have enough juice for one last crank. If you've ever noticed your screen flickering or turning off while the car is parked, it's not a glitch. It's your car saving you from a tow truck. Secret number 15, Secret Autolock Trick. Is there anything worse than that? Did I lock the door? Panic when you're already inside the grocery store. Most people think you need a subscription app for walk-away locking, but many cars have a built-in hardware shortcut. On many vehicles, if you exit the car and hold the exterior door handle sensor or the lock button on the door for 5 seconds, the car enters a global close or delayed lock state. This often signals the car to not only lock but to check that every window is fully up. Pro tip: want to know if your car is truly locked without looking? Check your side mirrors. If they are folded in, the security system is armed. If they're out, someone might have left a door ajar. Does your car fold its ears in when you leave? Let me know in the comments. Secret number 14, Pin Windshield Washer Nozzle Adjustment. If your washer fluid is hitting the roof or spraying the car behind you, stop. Don't call the dealer. This is a 10-second fix that costs $0. Most washer nozzles are ball-end socket joints. Over time, vibration or car wash brushes knock them out of alignment. Take a standard sewing pin and insert it into the tiny hole of the nozzle. Use the pin as a joystick to aim the nozzle toward the center top of your windshield. When you're driving at 65 mph, the wind will push that spray down, so aim slightly higher than you think you need. This ensures the fluid actually hits the glass when you're on the highway rather than just wetting your wipers. It's the difference between a smeared mess and a crystal clear view. Secret number 13, grocery hook trunk storage. Open your trunk and look at the ceiling or the side panels. You'll see small plastic tabs that most people assume are for cargo nets. These are actually high-tension grocery hooks. Engineers know that a gallon of milk or a bag of takeout rolling around at 40 mph is a recipe for a ruined carpet. These hooks are designed to catch the handles of plastic bags, keeping them upright and tensioned against the floor. The insider hack: if you have an SUV with a cargo floor, there's often a hook on a string hidden underneath. It's designed to clip onto the top of the trunk opening so you can hold the floor panel up while you grab the spare tire. No more balancing the heavy floorboard on your head while you dig for the jack. Secret number 12, tire pressure alert when filling. Checking tire pressure is a chore, but some cars, specifically from brands like Nissan and Chevy, have a fill alert system. Instead of fumbling with a gauge in the dark, you just start pumping air into the tire with the ignition on. When the tire reaches the manufacturer-recommended size, the car will honk the horn. If you overfill it, the hazard lights flash rapidly, telling you to bleed some air out. Correct tire pressure isn't just about safety, it's about your wallet. Running just 5 psi low can drop your fuel economy by 3% and shave 10,000 miles off the life of your tires. This feature turns a guessing game into a precision operation. Secret number 11, battery reset ignition trick. Is your infotainment screen freezing? Are your one-touch windows refusing to go up? Before you spend $150 on a diagnostic fee, try the capacitive discharge reset. On most vehicles, you can perform a soft reset of the car's computers. Turn the key to ON, engine off, press the hazard light button 5 times and then tap the brake pedal 5 times. Alternatively, many systems reset by holding the power and forward buttons on the radio for 10 seconds. This clears the cache of your car's modules. It's exactly like rebooting your smartphone when it gets laggy. It won't fix a broken alternator, but it solves 90% of those annoying ghost electronic glitches for free. Secret number 10, emergency manual fuel door release. The absolute worst time to find out your fuel door actuator is broken is when you're on E at a gas station. Since many modern fuel doors lock with the central locking system, an electronic failure can leave you stranded. Manufacturers know this, which is why there is a physical override. Open your trunk and pull back the carpet lining on the side where the gas tank is. You will find a small green or red plastic cord. Pull it, and the fuel door will mechanically pop open. This bypasses all the sensors and motors. If you've never looked for this cord, go find it today. You don't want to be searching for it with a flashlight in the rain while your engine is gasping for air. Secret number 9, car jellyfish launcher feature. It sounds like a joke, but jellyfish launchers are actually the cowl drains located at the base of your windshield. When you see water jetting out from behind your front wheels during a rainstorm, that's this system at work. These channels are designed to funnel massive amounts of water away from your cabin air intake. However, if they get clogged with leaves or pine needles, that water has nowhere to go except inside your car. This leads to wet floorboards and a moldy smell that never goes away. Expert advice: once a year, pour a cup of water into the plastic grate under your wipers. If it doesn't drain out onto the pavement instantly, your drains are clogged. Use a blast of compressed air to clear them out and save your interior from a literal flood. Secret number 8, seat belt height adjustment. If your seat belt is rubbing against your neck, you're not just uncomfortable, you're in danger. If a belt isn't positioned correctly across the strong bones of your shoulder and chest, it can cause severe soft tissue damage and a wreck. Almost every car has a height adjuster on the B-pillar, the post between the front and rear doors. Most people never touch this. Squeeze the sides of the plastic housing and slide it up or down so the belt sits squarely in the middle of your shoulder. It takes 2 seconds, but it changes the entire ergonomics of the driver's seat. If you've been fighting your seat belt for years, this is your aha moment. Secret number 7, hidden glove box cooling vent. Did you know your glove box might actually be a climate-controlled compartment? If you see a small circular dial inside your glove box with a snowflake icon, turn it. This opens a direct duct from your air conditioning system. While it won't freeze a steak, it will keep a bottle of water cold or prevent your snacks from turning into a melted mess on a 90-degree day. It's also the perfect place to store heat-sensitive items like certain medications or even your phone if it's overheating from GPS use. Check yours, is it open or closed right now? Secret number 6, gas pedal reset for smooth acceleration. Does your car feel lazy when you pull away from a stoplight? Modern cars use adaptive learning to map your throttle response. If you've been driving in heavy, slow traffic for weeks, your car learns to be sluggish to save fuel. To unlearn this behavior, try this. Turn the ignition to on, don't start the engine. Floor the gas pedal for 30 seconds. Turn the ignition off while your foot is still on the floor. Release the pedal and wait 2 minutes. This resets the throttle position sensor (TPS) and the adaptive transmission tables. The next time you drive, the car will feel snappy and responsive again. It's like giving your engine a shot of espresso. Secret number 5, replace cabin air filter yourself. If your AC smells like a locker room, the dealership will try to sell you a $120 AC service. Don't do it. Your cabin air filter is usually hidden right behind your glove box. You just squeeze the tabs on the glove box to drop it down, pop a plastic cover and slide the old filter out. You will likely see a thick layer of gray dust, leaves, and maybe even some rodent nesting. A new filter costs $15 online. It takes 5 minutes to swap. You'll breathe cleaner air and your AC blower motor won't have to work nearly as hard, which prevents a very expensive blower motor failure down the road. Secret number 4, brake drying feature for wet weather. This is a phantom feature that works without you ever feeling it. High-end cars and many modern European sedans have automatic brake drying. When your windshield wipers are on, the car's computer assumes the brake rotors are wet. It will subtly bring the brake pads into microscopic contact with the rotors every few miles. This creates just enough friction to wipe the water film off the metal without slowing the car down. This ensures that when you actually need to hit the brakes in an emergency, you have 100% bite immediately. Without this, there is a terrifying half-second delay while the pads squeeze the water off. Science is cool, isn't it? Secret number 3, secret auto hold with one press. If you're tired of holding your foot on the brake during a long red light or a drive-through, look for the auto hold button near your gear shifter. Once activated, you can come to a full stop, take your foot off the brake, and the car will stay stationary. It uses the electronic parking brake or the ABS pump to hold the vehicle in place. As soon as you touch the gas, it releases smoothly. It's a massive fatigue saver for city driving. Plus, it acts as a hill start assist, ensuring you never roll backward into the person behind you. Secret number 2, remote start without subscription. This is the one car manufacturers hate. They want to charge you $200 a year for an app to start your car, but many fobs have a hard-coded shortcut. Try this, press the lock button on your fob 3 times in quick succession, holding it on the 3rd press. On many Toyotas, Fords, and Rams, the engine will roar to life. Manufacturers often hide this local remote start so they can upsell the cellular remote start. Check your manual or try the 3-click trick. You might just save yourself $20 a month starting today. Secret number 1, auto tilt side mirror when revering. The one killer of beautiful alloy wheels is the curb, but there is a hidden curb view mode in almost every car with power memory seats. Here's the secret, put your car in reverse. Look at your mirror adjustment switch on the driver's door. Slide the selector switch to the left or right. On many cars, the mirror on that side will automatically tilt down to show you exactly where your rear tire meets the pavement. If you slide the switch back to the neutral middle position, the feature usually disables. This one trick can save you from a $200 curb rash repair on your rims. Which of these was new to you? I bet at least 3 of these are sitting in your driveway right now waiting to be used. Drop a comment with your car's make and model and tell me which secret worked for you. If you want more expert-level car care, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.